Hola amigos, welcome to Chef Myra's channel with me, Chef Myra, and today we are having another episode of Food Vibe, and I'm with my friend Sioch Tindi. Hey, salimia watu.
Hi guys, it's your girl Sioch Tindi. I'm a YouTuber as well, but an upcoming YouTuber. So today we are hanging out with your girl, Chef Myra, and it's an honor doing this with her. So watch the video, support her, like.
Thank you so much. Kindly guys, go ahead to her channel, see what she's all about, motherhood, food, relationship, all that good stuff is there. So please go now, ukiwa pale, sema ni Chef Myra amekutuma. Support my girl, give her thumbs up on her videos, watch her videos, and make sure you subscribe. So today on Food Vibe, we just want to know Tindi's food vibe, where her food journey has been to. Nothing, just chilling here at Biwo's restaurant and having a good time with my girl. So maybe Tindi, you could tell us, what is your favorite food?
Oh, okay. My favorite food is basically, to be specific, spaghetti and rice. Like wow. I can make rice, just change the stew.
Yeah.
I can make rice the whole week.
Wow.
Yeah. Basically rice, or if not spaghetti. Rice, spaghetti and any kind of meat. I can go well with it.
Amazing. Yeah. Awesome. So maybe you could tell us, like, growing up, what are some of the food memories you remember in your mother's kitchen?
Ugali was like the main food.
Food.
Yeah, specific. Yeah, and it used to go hand in hand with madondo, or what we call beans.
Ugali madondo. By the way, your kitty you slap.
Madondo.
Ooh, you slap.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
So that was the most common dish and the most affordable one,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ugali madondo is basically ugali, which is a staple food
which
in
I
Kenya.
Which I don't
and
like.
madondo, which is beans.
Yeah.
So ugali and beans.
Yeah.
So imagine I don't mind it.
Yeah.
I love it. So
and in the street also chapo madondo. It goes so well.
Chapo madondo.
Yeah.
Chapati and beans.
Yeah.
It slaps.
Yeah.
And maybe you could tell us, like, what are do you have any maybe embarrassing food stories?
Yeah.
Yeah, please share.
Hey, you guys, as I had mentioned earlier, I said that rice is my favorite food. So there was this one time I went to a friend of mine, and they had guests. So my friend invited me over to help the mom do the preparation and the cooking thing. So I used to brag about, me from Kitambo, I used to love cooking and anything to do with food preparation. Yeah, because being a foodie, you have to do anything that comes
with the
comes
kitchen.
Around with the kitchen preparation.
Food,
yeah. So I went there and I booked the part of cooking the rice. So guys, and they were going to come in. Guess what? Me, I used to make rice well back at my home, but that day, I don't know, disappointment.
What happened?
It resembled like ugali, and they bought the best quality of rice, but the way it came out, it was just bad. And so the mom to my friend, they had to get another, like she underwent loss, so she had to go back at the shop, buy more rice, and she prepared it again. So
what happened to this one that you had cooked?
So the one that I had cooked, so we ate it as privately. When they are guests, the African, you have just eat somewhere.
Yeah,
you don't
separate.
Go to the table. Yeah,
exactly.
You don't go at the table where guests are. So the one that remained, we ate, but we didn't finish. So some remained. They ate for supper, of which even the second dish that was prepared by the mom, it still remained. So we shared with the kids. We shared with the kids. Yeah.
Amazing. You've just reminded me of a story. African moms, if you cook something bad, you'll be told to finish that food.
Yeah.
If you cook bad ugali, you cook
you guys, African moms are so strict.
I know. An African mom, you cook something bad, you'll be told to eat it and finish it. Utaambiwa maliza hiyo chakula. So, wendo umepika vibaya. Wendo umeka chumvi excess. Finish that food and you'll finish it, my friend. Amazing. So tell me, what is this one food that you really love to try out?
Hey, one food.
It could be from a different culture, a different country. You've never tasted it, but you're thinking, I'll try it one day.
Well, having been a foodie, and I'm very much interested in food vlogs and anything to do with trying out some new recipes.
Yeah.
So there's this one food from Nigeria. I hear it's called fufu.
Fufu
and jollof.
And jollof rice.
Yeah, you know, jollof has to be there because rice, anything to do with rice.
You're in it.
Yeah, I'm in for it.
Yeah.
For trial. So guys, those are
you'd love to try jollof rice
and fufu. You know, I normally see the way
they eat it.
They eat it.
Huh?
It seems to be something yummy, but I've never tried it. I don't know.
This is what I believe in, but it's just my opinion. Any food you eat with your hands, with your fingers, my people, it always tastes differently. By the way, able to try eating your food with fork, knife, and then after that, put them aside and eat it with your fingers. This is the way it just slaps. Amazing.
Yeah.
What is this one food?
Yeah.
Even if you are given like 1 million, you will not eat.
Ooh. Hey. One food. That found me unaware. So maybe say mudokoi. I don't like. Okay, I'm a Kamba. I'm a mixed Kamba and Kikuyu, but mudokoi for me, I would rather do githeri. I don't like it.
I don't like mudokoi.
I don't like mudokoi. I don't like it because it feels more of something that you can't even explain. It's a bit soft. Mudokoi is peeled. You see, corn is peeled. It's removed the outer skin.
The outer skin. Then still cooked with beans.
Yeah. Yeah.
Amazing. So, has your food journey changed over the past?
Yes.
Like, is it different from when you're at your mother's home and now that you have your own place?
Yeah.
How has it changed?
Wow. It has really changed in a manner that I get to try new recipes. You know, when you are at your own space, you are home, you know. But you see, when you are in your mom's kitchen, there's so much restriction, and even the economy is not even allowing it because, you know, you can understand
you can't buy spices. You can't buy what?
Yeah. And, you know, economy can't allow. But when you are at your space, you try out everything, new recipes. Yeah. And the curiosity in me now, I just cook whatever I want as long as I can afford it. Yeah.
Amazing. Wow. Is there anything you would want to change in the food industry?
The food industry?
Yeah. Anything you would pass? For example, me, I can pass no eating githeri without avocado. Avocado should be given the respect it deserves. Is there anything you would want to change in the food industry?
Yeah. Well, I think food safety, because you find in some places food safety is not so guaranteed, and to some extent or some rare cases, it ends up like affecting people's health. You go enjoy your eats and sips, but when you go back home, hey, have you ever driven without a car? So food safety, one thing.
And also, sorry to cut you short, food safety, I love what you're saying.
Yeah.
And also in terms of just, guys, the number of cancer cases that are related to food, they've really gone up. So I hear what you're saying about food safety. Yeah. Is there any food? I know rice and spaghetti are your favorite food.
Yeah.
Is there any food that you will eat on a daily basis? Like you're told, okay, Tindi, for this whole year, you're not eating anything else apart from this food. Which food will it be?
Definitely it has to be rice. Like, I mean,
Rice?
rice. As long as you change the stew,
You're good to
and
go.
yeah, I can do it like whole time, the whole time, the whole entire time.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that we are done. We've known your food vibe. So maybe if you have any last thing that you would want to tell your people,
Yeah.
you can face the camera and tell them as we come to a close.
Food is one area that you get to socialize. Like us here, over here, we are getting to socialize in a few. We are going to enjoy a full plate of delicacies. So you guys, you should really check out on Chef Myra. She does amazing content on different recipes, and by the way, they are so easy to learn. And trust me, since I discovered her channel, I started watching her for referrals and amazing recipes. So guys, be sure to visit our channel, and if at all you are new to this space, check me out as well at CH Tindi on YouTube.
Yes, guys, that has been Food Vibe with CH Tindi. Kindly check her out on YouTube. She does amazing content. She's upcoming. Let's support our girl. She can make it, and you'll not disappoint them. Sindio?
I will.
Yes, she will not disappoint you. So check her out. And that has been Food Vibe. And until the next videos, bye.